Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are having a great day. I'm your host and in this video, I'm going to discuss studying abroad. I'm sure plenty of you are interested in studying abroad or settling abroad. So let's get started. So when it comes to studying abroad, the first options that come to mind are the USA, Australia, Canada or the United Kingdom. Yeah, it's totally normal and very common among students. But there are a variety of factors which you need to consider while selecting any of these. Let's make it easier for you. From my personal experience in thorough research, I can totally say the best of these options currently is Canada. But it doesn't just end here. I am going to explain why Canada is currently the most perfect place for you. According to me, there are 4 to 5 factors which I would consider before migrating somewhere. So hold on till the last minute where I'll talk about immigration. Starting with the demographics. Canada is the second largest country in the entire world with over 9.9 million square kilometers of land and approximately 35.8 million people resides there. The official language of Canadians are English and French. And the life expectancy of an average Canadian according to the World Bank is 82.30 years. Well, that was a bit of boring stuff to be honest, but it is something to consider while taking a huge step in your life, isn't it? Let's move on to the second factor, that is geography. The geography of Canada is quite remarkable. To start with, it has the most amount of lakes out of all the countries combined in the entire world. So you'll always have a picnic spot on weekends. And it also has the longest coastline in the world with over 2 lakh kilometers of coastline. And the most amazing part is that Canada has 90% of uninhabited place. Well, all of this won't matter to a student, but it is worth considering it if you are willing to settle down there. If I talk about the weather in Canada, it is a bit minus point for us Indians because in winters there is an enormous amount of snowfall all across the country and the temperature may go up to minus 30 degrees as well. But it doesn't bother that much because each and every building are highly insulated and have heating system all across the Canada. Thirdly, safety. Canada is one of the safest country in the entire globe and it ranks second in the world top 10 safest countries list. So there is nothing to worry about for girls too. If you compare it with other options such as Australia, there have been various encounters in the past where offenses against Indian students have taken place. The same goes with the United States of America. There have been multiple encounters where students have faced several difficulties with the locals. But that's not the case in Canada. Everyone here welcomes people from around the world. Another factor to consider is education. The education system in Canada is up to the mark and it has 99% literacy rate, which is the highest, and the quality of education is also top notch. Canadian universities and colleges are way more cheaper than in US, Australia or UK, though it has good quality standards. The employment rates are also amazing and students are also authorized to work part-time. So that's a huge plus point according to me. Last but not the least, the most important part, that is immigration. The immigration system of Canada is far more simple than any other prospects out there. Simple, yet it's not that easy. You must have everything in line to grab that PR or temporary residency. A student can apply through Student Direct Stream visa, which is also known as SDS, and a worker can apply through Express Entry, etc. It is far more easier than its neighbor USA. There's a link in the description below from where you can know more about the visa process. And with the minimal cost of living, I'm pretty sure you can start off your careers with great ease. Above all that, Canada is also highly developed, which means there won't be a lot of difficulties for you to settle in. All in all, there are more advantages over the cons. That is all guys, I guess I made a pretty good point here, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and if you want to support my work, leave a like and stay tuned for future videos.